In this video, we will introduce the prep for GH-900 GitHub Foundations exam. What is the GH-900 GitHub Foundations certification? Who should take the GH-900 exam? GitHub Foundations exam domains. Preparation plan for GH-900 GitHub Foundations exam. One. What are primary benefits of using GitHub Issues templates? Choose 2. A. To automatically label or assign newly created issues. B. To provide an easy-to-fill-out form for creating new issues. C. To easily coerce existing issues into a standard format. D. To automatically create new branches when issues are created. 2. Which of the following options can a user do from a discussion post? A. Duplicate the discussion. B. Archive the discussion. C. Create an issue from the discussion. D. Add the discussion to README. 3. From the list of projects for an organization, how can a user identify a GitHub projects template? A. Check the Show Template checkbox. B. Use the Is filter in the search text box. C. Select the Templates tab. D. View the contents in the GitHub Projects folder. 4. What is the primary purpose of creating a new branch in the GitHub flow? A. To create a backup of the main branch. B. To capture information about an issue. C. To experiment with new features or fixes. D. To incorporate changes from a review. 5. As a GitHub user, where in the UI can you configure two-factor authentication, 2FA, to further secure your account? A. Profile to account to 2FA. B. Repository settings to secrets and variables to 2FA. C. Organization settings to authentication security to 2FA. D. Settings to password and authentication to 2FA. 6. Which of the following is a primary goal of GitHub's community? A. Exclusively supporting experienced developers. B. Creating a competitive environment for developers. C. Facilitating collaboration and creativity. D. Enforcing strict code quality standards. 7. Which of the following information is available by default in a user's GitHub profile? A. Personal biography and profile picture. B. Public Secure Shell Protocol, SSH, keys. C. A list of the user's private repositories. D. Email address and password. 8. What are 2 recommended ways of improving the discoverability of a repository? Choose 2. A. Register the repository with GitHub Search. B. Create a README file describing the repository. C. Add labels to categorize the repository. D. Add topics to classify the repository. 9. Which of the following best describes GitHub pages? A. Web pages hosted and published through GitHub repositories. B. Handles pagination for API requests. C. Hosts long-form documentation about your project. D. Curated guides around how to use GitHub products. 10. Which of the following statements most accurately describes secret gists? A. Anyone with the URL for the gist can view the gist. B. Secret gists require GitHub Enterprise. C. Anyone can see the gist from the Gist Discover page. D. Users with assigned access can view the gist. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.